Okay, guys, starting here.
Get loose. Let's go.
Stangs versus Cookies. 2030 Sandstorm second day. Locked up. Looks like Stangs has it. Stangs passes number 7. Oh. Gets hit, but it passes over 34 to 23. Defense is trying to block him out of the middle. Oliver on 99. It's passed over. Goes over to the side to 51. Stangs to 23. Rocker dodge over 99. Goes out of bounds. It's going to be Cookie's ball. Cookie's looking.
Hey, Jamie, not too deep.
Cookie still picks it up.
Jamie, right here.
Rolls. Still holds onto the ball.
Recover, Jamie.
Right.
Good, good deep.
Bounces over. Short pass. Bounces up. Goes out of bounds. Stangs ball. 45. Picks it up. Oh. Goes out of bounds. It's going to be Cookie's ball now.
Jamie, get back.
We're number 5, Cookies. 55. Waiting for an opportunity. Goes on the right wing. Shoots. Gets stopped by the goalie. Goes behind the goal post. Sees it. Launches it.
Gotta come to it, Jamie.
Gets blocked over by Cookies. Looks like if Cookies is going to pick it up. Drake number 1.
Come on, Jamie.
Let's go, Enzo. That's it.
Come on, Jamie.
Pass over to Cam. A little short pass, but still able to pick it up. Goes on the outside. 55. Cookies. Pass it back to a fresh legs. Looks like it's
Jamie, go.
Chase.
Jamie, come across.
Number 10. Directing goal left.
Good, Max. Stay there, Max.
Passes over. Stays on the outside.
Jamie.
Number 5. One over.
Good,
Takes
Keegan.
a shot. Blocks.
Jamie, come
Blocked by
on.
the goalie.
Come on, Jacob. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on. Pick it up. Pick it up. Right there behind you. Go, Jamie, you gotta
Lost.
get back.
Number 3, Cam. Looking for an open.
Good,
It goes
Cam.
back, pulls it
Jamie,
out.
reach out for
Pass
Cam.
number 10, Cookies. Right now in the middle. 0 shoots. Chase shoots. Is out. Able to recover by the goalie. It's going to be Stangs ball. Number 9.
Jamie, not too high.
Stangs. Attempts to run over it.
Go, Sawyer. Just go.
You got it. Way to go.
33 able to get it over the midline. Number 11 on Cookies. Putting some pressure on. Has him stay on the outside. 33 to 99. 27. Stangs. 23. That was a whistle.
You gotta get in the box.
Yes, they didn't get through the box. So it's going to be a turnover.
Go to ball! Go to ball! Go to ball!
Passes up top. Takes a shot, a little high. It's going to be Stangs ball.
Jamie, stop running away!
44 to pick it up to goalie. Goalie back to 44.
Too much, too much. Wait, Jamie, wait.
Let's go.
Top.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Now. Good.
Stuff. Number 12 picks it up.
Back,
It's
Jamie.
Cookie's ball. Good defense on number 4. Number 7.
Push him up. Push him
Harry
up. Push him up.
spins up. Gets around the defender. 2-on-1.
Good, Asher. On
Able
it,
to make a
Jamie.
pass short, but able to pick it up.
On it, Jamie.
Number
Get on
8.
him.
I think it's Colton. Or maybe it's Gideon. Gideon passes it over the middle. Going along the left alley. Number 5. Moving screen. Looks like it's a turnover over to Stangs ball.
Go.
Number
Go.
7.
Look back.
That's a
Gets
push.
pushed from the back. Well, they're not going to call that. But Sting is able to still pick it up. Number 44 defender still running with it. Flag thrown. Looks like maybe a slash.
Nice.
They're not going to call that whistle.
Hey, calm down. Calm. Calm. Shut up. Just calm down.
Okay. Looks like Cam is out for a minute.
Shut up and calm down. Go defense.
Did you ever see that El Arroyo song where it said never in
Looks like Sings is going to start with the ball here. Number 3 up top in the middle.
I don't think that's a Justin song. And then I think opposite of that. There are all these memes, it's like calm down.
Let's go, Miller.
Get one here, kid.
And up.
It's a man up situation for Stangs. 33 on the cage on X. Over to the side. 23 back to 3. 51 flies up in the air. Gets recovered by number 1 on Cookies. A lot of people on him.
Nice. Look at that.
Flips up. Back to Stangs. 99. Over to number 3. 33 back to 3. 99 over to the left wing.
Jesus Christ.
Shot. Still recovered by Stangs. 33. Up top.
Hit it, Ash. Good shot.
Oh, wide shot to the right. Still
Hey,
Stangs
you
ball.
like that, Asher?
Do it again, Ash.
Way to take
0 picks it up. Over to the left wing to 99 up top. 3. Over to the right. X. Back to 99 up top to 3. Up top again to 30, 23. Back to X.
I'm disagreeing with you.
Still at X. Over to the side. A little wide, a little high. It's going to be turnover back to the Cookies. Provided to the goalie to clear.
Run it, Miller, run!
One down the right. Dodges. Dodges again.
Wide open.
Okay, up top. Fake has it. Number 1. Okay, pass it over to the left wing. Number 15 to the X.
Come on, Sawyer, get in there. Nice, nice. Keep at it, keep at it.
Big pressure on to go to the side. Number 10. Dodge right.
Good in zone.
Down the right alley.
Good drive, in
Gets
zone. Good.
pushed out to the side to the wing. To the X.
Good.
To number 5. Wide open shot.
Attaboy, team.
Stop. As a ground roller. Good stop by the goalie. Ball's down. Still able to be picked up.
Good, Chance. Of course. Good, Chance, go.
Doesn't call it.
Good, Chance, well done.
45, a little high of a shot. Goes out of bounds. Go to Cookies. Number 11 picks it up. Drake. Dodges. Slows it down. Goes up top. Takes a shot. Wide. Still Cookies ball.
Jamie, come on, let's go.
Number 10 to Drake. Attempts to dodge. Dodges right. Keeps him pushed on the right wing to the X.
Oh.
Up top.
Guys, get it out of there. Get it out of there.
And up top to 55. Good shot. Good play. Number 2 to 55. Okay, it's going to put this final after 11 minutes of no scoring. 1-0. Cookies 1, Stangs 0 so far.
Sit there. Go, Hadley.
Locked up.
Good, Colton.
Stangs picks it up.
Go, Colton, go. Go, Colton. Well done.
And I was like, that's what I said. I said, is it a good thing or a bad thing?
Stick on a stick.
Still holds on to it. Rolls.
Look at Cruz. Cruz, come around.
33 getting
Go
blocked
around,
over.
Cruz.
Get open, Hadley.
A lot of pressure.
Go, Cruz,
A
go.
lot of pressure on there.
In the box. Get in the box. Get in the box.
A lot of pressure.
Hadley, open up.
Still has not been in the box yet.
Get in the box.
Nope, turnover.
Get in, boys.
Yep. Turnover to Cookies.
Hey, offense, we gotta get in the box.
Let's get aggressive, guys. Get aggressive.
Go, David.
Number 1 Cookies defender. Gets picked up. Still Cookies. Possession. Gideon up top. Over the right. Oh,
Get it, Hadley. Go, go, go.
Gideon still picks it up. To X. Dodges left. Rolls.
Jamie, coming in.
Rolls again. And over to the side. Just wide to the right. It's a miss. It's going to be Stang's ball. Well, apologies. Didn't see the guy all the way to the right. Still going to be
Get
Cookie's ball.
organized.
Find your man, guys. Let's go.
To Gideon.
Push him out, Hadley. Go.
Top right.
Good.
Roll dodges.
Good,
Splits.
Hadley.
Goes
Good.
up top. Shoots. Stuff. Defenders goes across. Picks it up.
Get to it.
Yeah,
That's going to be out of bounds. Cookies ball.
Go, Bob.
15 starting us off. Chase.
Hadley, go.
Jamie, you gotta drop in.
Chase gets a touch. He's up top.
Jamie, don't get drawn out.
Dodges right. Number 77 shoots. Oh, no, that's a pass. And what a pass. Cam.
That's your guy, Jamie. Hey, stop playing like
Looked like
trapping.
it was a shot, but it was actually a pass. And then pass over another assist to Cam. Cam scores over the top left. It's going to put Cookies to 2, staying 0.
Go, Jorge. Push, buddy.
Get in there, Boston.
Early start.
There we go.
Cookies starts. Number 10. Passes it back. Number 10. Up top. Over to Drake. Tries to go past, gets stuffed. Doesn't have the speed. Now it's going to the right wing. Pass over to X. Cam.
Swing it, swing it.
5. Drake.
Good, Colton. Stay on him.
And shoots. Hits off the post to the right. Recovered by Cookies. Top move gets stopped by the goalie. A little risky pass. Good stop by the goalie.
Get it back. Get it back.
To the middle.
Up.
Open up, guys.
Drake picks it up, goes back. Stays in the yellow zone. Looks for a play. 10 directing. Directing Drake to go past. 10's going to stay up top. Pass to Fresh Legs coming in. Dodges right.
Good, Asher.
Let's push over to the right wing. Up top in the middle to 10. 10 attempting to dodge. Rolls to the right.
Back.
Over the top.
Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go.
Oh, gets stopped with a foot. Drake takes a shot. Gets stopped by the foot here. Oh, goalie picks it up.
Get wide. Get open. Get wide.
Goalie sees it.
Attaboy, Keegan.
Goes out.
Attaboy,
Dangerous.
Keegan. Easy, Sawyer.
Passes 9.
Still in.
Holds on to it. Cookies recovers. The Drake. Drake looks for an opening. Passes up top. 55. Fresh Legs coming in. Chase passes over to Cam. Oh, drops it.
Good, Enzo. From behind, bro.
Chase trying to flip it up. Drake picks it up. Top.
Jamie, watch him, son.
Drops it again.
Jamie. Jamie.
Stay
Stay, Enzo. Enzo, stay.
Drake trying to do a defense here.
Nice.
Goes to the exit Stangs. Number 0. Passes to the left. Stays on left wing.
Give it to
Putting a
us.
lot of pressure on. Goes to number 7. Didn't have a defender on him for a little bit.
Good, Jamie. Well
To
done.
33.
Hey, good job, Sawyer.
34 is able to take a little breather. Think of a plan. New Fresh Legs coming in. 99. 99.
Round that shit.
Going to the right.
Look at him right there.
To X. 0. Over at the top to 34. Dodges left.
Come on, Enzo. Push through.
What are we doing?
Over to the X. Too
What are
high.
we doing?
0 is unable to get it. So it's going to be a turnover. Back to Cookies.
Right.
55. Fake passes. Starts running down the middle.
Right there, Jamie. On him.
Oh, get on.
Gideon is able to hold on to the ball. Gets a touch. That's first half appears. But looks like they're still playing. Up. Over the gets stopped. Scully has some very, very good goals. Stopped. A little over the top. Cookie's able to gain possession of this again.
Push him out. Still going, Jamie.
Getting over to number 5. Oh. Looks like maybe a trip. Yep. So the flag's thrown for a trip.
Hey, Jamie.
Okay, second half started. Okay, no face-off. Looks like it's Cookie's ball. Gideon over the top gets a touch. It's like they're man up. Cookies. 55. Back to Gideon. To Chase. Back to X. Gets and Cam high to low. Gets another score. 3-0. Cookies up. 3. Okay, guys are set up here.
Good,
Stangs gets it right off the start. Fast start.
Good reason.
4 pushing him out to the right wing. X to 0.
Go, Key, come around.
0 does a good job. Gets pushed right out. 51. Bounced out.
There you go.
All right.
Cookie's able to pick it up, but 51 picks it back up. The Stangs has possession of it.
That's a good
The 99. Someone's going to pick him up. Oh, being picked back up.
You got this.
Penalty was called. Let's see what the penalty was. Looks like we're Cookies are a man down. 99 is going to start here with the ball. Defender, Cookies, out. Number 3 goes over the right wing to X. It's 23. 99, open. To number 3. To 99. Goes back to X. Right wing. Cuts up top, 99. Shoots.
Oh, good shot.
And gets wide. Still, it's going to be Stang's ball. Got a guy on the side here. Stang's able to pick it up behind the cage. To 23. Up top to 99. Back up to 3. To 99. Left wing to X. Bounce past 99. Takes a shot and scores.
Good teamwork, guys.
It's going to make the score 3 Cookies, 1 Stang. Locked up.
Go, guys, get in there.
Good.
Next Stangs gets the ball, 34.
Take it in.
Oh, good
Shoots
try.
wide. It's going to be Stang's ball.
White ball, white ball. Attaboy, Keegan, good chase.
Nick is not being.
Drops the ball.
Thanks.
Oliver doing a good job on D.
Let's go, David. Let's go. Why do you call that?
How do you call
That's-
that?
That's a push. That's a push, Stang's ball.
David.
Defense doing a good job. Gets pushed out. That's going to be Cookie's ball.
Get up, get up, get up. What's about, Keeks? Lift, lift.
I think we're sitting
Over the top. To 10. Looks left and right. Just waiting for new players to come in. Holds it. Fresh legs just came in. Over to X. 15. Drops it. 15 still comes out with it, however.
Go, Jamie, go.
It's knocked out. Number 7 picks it up from Stangs. Falls down. Gets recovered by Cookies.
Oh, no.
And gets over. Scored. That's a score, 4-1.
Go, 91.
I'll have to review that back, but it was a kind of a high assist and then a high scoring. Okay, face off again. Colton.
Good, Colton, well done.
Way to go.
Colton versus Colton. Colton gets it. Stangs, number 11. 34. Stays on the right. Goes back up top. Passes it over to fresh legs. 2 guys on the right wing for Stangs.
Come around, come around!
Over the left wing to 0 to 51.
Let's go, David.
Harry on defense. Shoots. Gets stuffed. And picked up by Kellen. Goalie for Cookies.
Ride, Keegan, ride.
Oliver.
Good. Good tip.
Good, Jorge, well done.
Get it,
Good, Jorge.
0. See if we can pick it up.
Pick it up, Max. Good, chance.
Good chance.
Go, David, go.
Stangs ball.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Oh, flag. See if Oliver can get it.
Get it, get it.
Okay, it's going to be a flag. Looks like defender is going to be out for a minute. Push. It's like a technical. Not sure if that's a 30. Man out for Stangs. It's going to start at the left wing here with 23.
Let's go, Aiden. You got this.
Spells man down for Cookies. Another opportunity for 23. This is how they scored last time. 90-second penalty. Number 3 to the right wing. Back to 3 to 99. Left wing to the X. Right wing. Back to X. 0 catches it. Staying tight to 23. 23 up top. 99. 51. 51 back to 99. Wide pass. Was able to pick it up. 23 to 0. Back to 99. 23.
Come on, we gotta have some speed here.
Your man down. Take advantage of it.
Trying to make a move. Cookie's doing a good job going back and forth. 51 to the right wing. Over to 51. Skip pass.
Yes, Keys, good
Oh,
job.
blocked. Good block by Kellen. Starts on the right wing. 33. Over to 3 to 99. To 3.
Answer, you have the
3 to
shorty.
99. Far left. 23. Push. Looks like it's going to be Sting's ball over to the on the left wing here. Starting with 0. Calls a whistle. Refs were deliberating there for a couple
Hey, come on,
seconds
Stangs. Let's have
just to
some
be on the same
urgency.
page. 0's going to be up top. Looks like we got a man down again. Number 99 is out. Gives him another opportunity for a minute.
Hey, let's go. We're ready. Let's go. We're ready. Harry,
Yep,
nice shot.
0 starts. Over to the side to 0. Up top to 99. Back to 0. 23 to 0. Skip pass to 99.
Go, Asher. Go.
Switches up. 99. Getting in. Pass to X. Oh, way up. A little high on the goal. 99 is able to be there for it. So staying ball still. Starts at that right wing. X to 0. 0 up top to 51. Pass to 23, right wing to up top, 51
Hurry
again.
up. Hurry up.
0
Let's go, guys.
is able to be there to X. Good rush on that. Sees it coming. Looks like Cookies picks up the ball. Oh, flag. Holds on to the ball. Goes past 4 different people. Shoots. Okay, it looks like it's still Cookies' ball because they had that penalty over on the Cookie side. So again, for the people at home, 4-1, 4 for Cookies, 1 for Stangs. Now it's going to be a man-up situation for Cookies. And I think we're going to be starting it up all the way on the left wing. Okay, here's a start. Chase. Gideon. Over the top to 55, back to Gideon to Chase. Gideon up top to 55 to the right wing here. Back to 55. Left wing this time. Back to Chase. 55. Gideon goes into the mix. Number 2 misses.
Get it through! Get it through!
Not out of bounds, but Cam is trying to. Now it goes back to the goalie.
Oh, shit.
Let's go, Enzo!
34 gets it.
Jamie! Good, go, Jamie, go! Go!
Number 7. Oh, blocked. Stuffed by the goalie. Kellen. Looks like it's still Stangs' ball. 32 starting off with it. Deep within that right. Right side here. One up top, putting a lot of pressure. 2-on-1. Putting a lot of pressure on here.
So they're in 18?
Not sure if that was a timeout. Okay, starting with 0. Stangs. High right wing. Whistle blows. Still double team. Oh, drops it. Let's see who was able to pick it up. It's 99 is going to pick it up. Up top to 30. Oliver has it.
Come across, Chance! You gotta come, Chance!
Shoots and scores. Oliver over the top. Right. Does a little bouncer. It goes in. It's going to make it 5-1. 5 Cookies, 1 Stangs. Got probably about 3.5 minutes left of the game. Okay, Harry had the face-off. Stangs pops it up, however, able to be picked back up. Again, dropped. Dropped again. It's a Butterfingers here. Looks like a Stangs ball. I'm not sure if it was a hold. Unable to hold onto the ball. Oh no, never mind. It's Cookie's ball.
Get aggressive!
Drops the ball again.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
Just go! Take it! Take it!
Attaboy.
Oh, flips it up.
White ball. Good one, Keegan, do it again!
I'm not sure what happened here. A lot of weird things going on. People dropping
Oh my
as they're
God,
whistling.
boys!
There you go.
One, bud. There you go, settle.
Number 10. Back to Harry. Harry looking up to the right wing to Gideon.
Got him, Drew! Stick with that!
Gideon up top.
Let's go, Aiden!
Trying to double up on him.
Go, Enzo! Nice! Pressure him!
Left wing. Dodges to the
That's
left.
it. Good, Aiden!
Loses the
Aiden.
ball.
Good!
still able to pick it up, number 17. Walks around behind the cage. Dodges right. Tries to score.
Good job,
A little
Keegan.
wide. It's going to be Stangs' ball. 34 is going to pick up the ball for Stangs. Behind the cage.
Let's go, Enzo.
Gets past 2 defenders here. Oh. To 23. Loses the ball.
Jamie, you got to get back.
And that's game. So final score, 5 Cookies, 1 Stangs. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Send you a group chat for our next time. We'll be at a different field.